Hello everyone, welcome back. We would like to write a program for pizza sizes. So we would like to create an enum for pizza sizes, small, medium, and large, with custom prices assigned to each size. And we would like to write a program that takes a user input for the size and print the price of the selected pizzas. Here I'm having an enum called pizza size. It has three elements: small, medium, and large. Small equals 8, medium equals 12, and large equals 16. These are the size. For example, 16 centimeter, 12 centimeter, and 8 centimeter for a small one. Then we are going to ask the user select pizza size, and we say if you want a small, just type down 8, medium you want it, type down 12, and 16 you want it, type down large. If you want large, type down 16, for example. And then whatever the user is going to enter is going to store it in the size variable that we initialized here. It's an integer. Then we are having a switch statement, and the statement condition is the size. So if the user is going to enter 8, because small equals 8, it is going to enter this case, says that small pizza, $12. If the user enters 12, we are going to have medium being implemented because medium equals 12 as well, and size equals 12, medium equals 12. So it is going to enter this part and says that medium pizza 25. Then if the user enters 16, if the user is looking for a large pizza, they're going to enter 16, and 16 is going to activate this case which says large pizza is 27. If any other number apart from these three numbers are entered, it is going to enter the default part which mentions that invalid size selected. So when I run this code, it asks me to, okay, select pizza size. If you want small, type down 8. If you want medium, type down 12. And if you want large, type down 16. So I'm looking for a small one. I enter 8 and it says small pizza $20. So this is how a system could work in a restaurant, for example. So this case is being printed in the output. And if I run one more time and I enter 12, it says medium pizza is 25, which is this case. And then if I type down 16, it says large pizza 27. So this case is being implemented as you see it here. So if I run one more time and I enter, for example, 10, it says invalid size selected because 10 is in neither of the cases. Okay, so this is why the default case is being implemented and invalid size selected message is shown in the output. So this is how we can create an enum, for example, for pizza sizes and write a program that asks a user to enter, for example, one input for different sizes of the pizza and print the price of the selected pizza in the output. Thank you for watching.